This car is really beautiful. This is a 1964 Buick Riviera, finished in the original coral mist color. All codes out correctly. I mean, just look at the lines on this car. It's just absolutely beautiful. You gotta love the original mags with the Riviera spinners. What takes this car to another level is this is a rare car. It has the numbers matching 425 Super Wildcat motor. What that means is it's got two 4-barrel carbs on here. It's the higher horsepower option. Just a stunning, beautiful car, loaded up, power windows, tilt wheel, power seat, drives like a dream. I used her all weekend long. I gotta tell you, it drives unbelievable. Just check this out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. I don't think you'll find a nicer, better running Riviera anywhere for this price. Check this out. Wow, what a car. Look at black, black vinyl, I should say. Look at that. All original, beautiful car. The dash is amazing. The console, everything's in great shape. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com, 64 Buick Super Wildcat Riviera.